What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install games on your Nintendo Switch for absolutely free. There are no hacks, mods, or jailbreaks needed for this tutorial to work, and this is a completely legitimate method to get free games on your Switch. So if you're not looking to spend any money but still want to enjoy a new game, let me show you how to grab something for absolutely free from the Nintendo eShop. Start by going to the bottom of your Nintendo Switch home screen and scrolling across until you reach the eShop icon. Once you're on it, just open it up. When the eShop launches, you'll typically need to select a user account. I only have one user logged into my console, which, just to note, is linked to my Nintendo account, since that's a must if you want to get free games using this method. Once you're in, move to the top of the eShop and select the search option. From here, scroll down to the search filter section and choose price range. If you don't spot it right away, you can use the filtered search option to locate it. But if it's already visible like it is right now, simply go ahead and select price range. This will organize the available games based on their cost. Scroll down and you will find the free download option right here. Move across and select view more, located right here at the bottom, and you'll now be able to browse all the free apps and games currently available on the Nintendo Switch. And trust me guys, this is a really convenient way to filter out every single game or app that's free. Some of them are actually AAA titles, so it's definitely nice to see them all in one place. Now pick the one you're most interested in. For example, I'll go with Overwatch 2. Click on the game and the shop page will load. Navigate to the right and click on free download. You'll then be taken to a confirmation page. Press free download once again, and that's it. It'll display a thank you message and you can go ahead and select close. You'll then be taken to the home screen, and as you'll see, the game has started downloading. Once the download is complete, you can jump right in and start playing all the free games that you've downloaded. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more Nintendo content. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.